Hello everybody, this video is going to be called Tell Me You Are a Nerd Without Telling Me You're a Nerd, because I've got a small parcel in here that I would like to open it up, and it contains kind of a rare coin that is coming from Argentina. You might ask, why does Armenian-Russian guy who lives in the UK order an Argentinian coin from France? And I'll tell you in a moment. I haven't opened the package myself, so this is kind of a small surprise for me as well, and I'm recording this video spontaneously because I kind of wanted to share this with you guys. So if it is going to take long, I apologize, or maybe I'm not apologizing because I'm going to edit this out. Let's see how well and easily I can open this small package and what can I find in it. This coin is kind of a very special one for me. I'm going to use it as a talisman for my writing, because this coin that comes from Argentina is depicting, it was issued for Jorge Luis Borges, one of my favorite writers about whom I've written many times. So I thought that this coin that was issued in 1998 as a celebration for Borges is going to act like my talisman, and here it is. Here is the coin. I'm hoping you can see it on camera. It was issued in 1998. No, 1999. I was right. And it is 2 Argentinian pesos. And look, it's got a labyrinth out there, like on the other side. How wonderful and curious and mysterious is this. So I just wanted to share this thing about tell me that you're a nerd without telling me you're a nerd. I don't know, certain objects have meaning in them. Certain objects have their own souls. So I thought I would share this with you. And this coin is going to live on my desk. So each time I write all my Dante explorations through the Divine Comedy, and by the way, we have just exited hell with Dante. So now we are in Purgatory, where we are going to cleanse our soul. So it is an interesting journey. I've got a book here. This is Hollander's explorations of Purgatorio. They were extremely helpful, actually. I've got the Inferno here. So I'm using Mandelbaum's translation, as many of you know. This is a tangent. This is Everyman edition with Alan Mandelbaum's translation of the Divine Comedy. But I find the commentaries of Robert Hollander and his wife, Jean, incredibly helpful. But this is a digression, so if you're following my Dante Read-Along on Substack, where we explore each chapter, each canto of Dante's Divine Comedy every week, like I think we're doing 2 chapters a week. So go ahead on my Substack and check it out, and in the meantime I'll go and explore my Argentinian 2 pesos. I hope you enjoyed this brief video, and I'll see you in the next one.